All right, one last quick demo to take this matrix visual to the finish line. Note that we have every single product sold listed here in our matrix view. So we get this really long scrollable list. It's really way more detail than we actually need. So what I'd actually like to do here is limit this view to only show the top 10 products sold based on order volume. And this is a great use case for applying a top N visual filter. So we've already kind of hinted at this before, should be pretty straightforward. All we're going to do is select that matrix visual, open up our filter pane, and right here you can see we have no filters currently applied to product name. Let's drill in, change the filter type to top N, and we're going to show the top 10 items or products by a certain value, a numerical field. And what's cool here is that we can use any field from our model, not necessarily just the ones included in our table or matrix. So let's go ahead and drill into our data pane as well. And we want the top 10 by total orders. So I'm going to drag that right here where it says by value. And when we apply that filter, note that we didn't see much change because we were already sorted by orders. But if I scroll down, there's no additional products listed outside of these top 10. So it kind of limits that view, simplifies things a little bit more. And that top N approach is going to be a really handy trick that we'll apply a few different times throughout our report build. So that's looking good. Let's just go ahead and maybe resize or drag this up a bit. We're going to put a couple more visuals down here, and then I think that should take our executive summary dashboard to the finish line. Last thing I want to do here is just update this column name to be a bit more descriptive now that we're only showing the top 10. So let's select a blank spot of our matrix, open the build menu, and instead of just product name, let's call this top 10 products. Hit enter, and there we go. So with that, let's just resize maybe a bit more, adjust our column widths a little bit, and I think that should just about do it for our matrix.